friends, hope you are doing great as always. Look at this super yummy dessert that I want to try today. But if you're unable to go to restaurant with your beloved ones, no problem. I can easily teach you and help you to make this dessert. Let's go. Hello my lovely friends, how are you doing? Today I want to make a San Sebastian cheesecake with berry sauce and let's go. Well, the main ingredients of this super delicious dessert is labneh cheese that I chose lactose-free labneh cheese. First of all, we are adding labneh cheese to our bowl. I'm writing down exact measurements of ingredients in captions, no problem, don't worry. And as you see here, oops, okay, well, now I'm adding 1 cup of icing sugar. 1 cup is enough. Then we are adding whipped cream or shanty cream. Well, we are mixing all ingredients together. Okay, our sauce is ready. As you can see, this is the texture. And also with 1 fork, back of your fork, you can smash these fruits because it's frozen and it's heated. It can be smashed very easy and so smooth. There is no need to blend these frozen berries because it's so easy to smash it with 1 spoon or 1 fork. It's so yummy. That's it. Okay, my lovely friends, our cheesecake is ready. Now I want to serve it for you. Well, on top of that is a little bit crispy and caramelized, which must be like this. Look at the texture. Our cheesecake is ready. Look at this garnish and decoration. Look at the color. Look at the texture. Let's try it. I want to add this sauce. on top of my cheesecake and try it. Look, wow, sounds so yummy. It's super delicious. It's more affordable, more cheaper, and more delicious. I suggest you to make this at home and enjoy it with your beloved ones. You can also eat whatever you want, as much as you want. So free. Thank you so much. See you soon.